Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Conversation Practice.
Hi, I'm Robert.
And I'm Chloe. We are so happy you are here today.
Today is a special day. We will learn about one word.
Yes, the word is make.
Make is a very important word in English.
We use it every day, many times every day.
So today, Chloe and I will talk together.
We will use the word make many times.
Listen carefully. Try to hear when we say make.
After our talk, we will explain everything.
Don't worry, we will speak slowly and clearly.
Are you ready? Let's begin.
Let's start our day together.
Good morning, Robert.
Good morning, Chloe. How are you today?
I'm good, but I'm very tired.
Oh no, why are you tired?
I went to bed very late last night.
That's not good. You need to make a change.
You're right. I need to make a plan to sleep early.
Yes, sleep is important. It makes you feel better.
I know. What about you? Did you sleep well?
Yes, I made sure to sleep early.
Good for you. So what will you do today?
First, I will make breakfast.
Oh, what will you make?
I will make eggs and toast.
That sounds good. I love eggs.
Do you want some? I can make breakfast for you too.
Really? Thank you. That's very nice.
No problem. I will make eggs for both of us.
Can you also make coffee?
Of course, I will make coffee too.
You make very good coffee.
Thank you. My father taught me. He makes great coffee.
That's nice. My mother makes good coffee too.
Coffee is important in the morning. It makes me feel awake.
Me too. I can't start my day without coffee.
Okay, let me make breakfast now. Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm very hungry.
Good. I will make a big breakfast.
Thank you. Can I help you?
Yes, can you make the toast?
Sure, I can make toast. That's easy.
Great. The bread is on the table.
How many pieces should I make?
Let's make 4 pieces. 2 for me and 2 for you.
Okay, I will make 4 pieces of toast.
Perfect. And I will make the eggs.
How do you make your eggs?
I make scrambled eggs. They are my favorite.
I like scrambled eggs too. They are delicious.
Yes, and they are easy to make.
That's true. You can make them in 5 minutes.
Exactly. Okay, I'm cooking now.
The toast is in the toaster.
Good. This will not take long.
I'm excited. You always make good food.
Thank you. I try my best. Oh, I need to make a phone call later.
Who will you call?
My mother. Today is her birthday.
Oh, happy birthday to your mum.
Thank you. I need to make a birthday cake for her.
Wow, will you make a cake?
Yes, I will make her favorite cake. Chocolate cake.
That's wonderful. Can you make cakes?
Yes, I can. It's not too difficult.
I can't make cakes. I always make mistakes.
Don't worry. Everyone makes mistakes when they learn.
That's true. Maybe you can teach me someday.
Of course, I will teach you how to make a simple cake.
Thank you. That would be great.
No problem. Oh, the eggs are ready.
And the toast is ready too.
Perfect timing. Let me make the coffee now.
Great. I will get the plates.
Thank you. We make a good team.
Yes, we do. Working together makes things easier.
I agree. Okay, breakfast is ready.
It looks delicious. Thank you for making breakfast.
You're welcome. Let's eat.
These eggs are very good.
Thank you. I'm happy you like them.
And this coffee is perfect. How do you make it so good?
I use good coffee beans, and I don't make the water too hot.
Oh, I always make the water very hot.
That makes the coffee bitter.
I see. I will try your way next time.
Good. It will make a big difference.
Thanks for the tip. So, what will you do after breakfast?
I need to make my bed first.
Oh, I need to make my bed too.
I always make my bed every morning.
That's a good habit. Making your bed makes the room look nice.
Yes, it makes me feel organized.
I should make it a habit too.
You should. Small things make a big difference.
You're right. What else will you do today?
I need to go to the store. I need to make a shopping list.
What do you need to buy?
I need to buy things to make the cake. Chocolate, eggs, flour, sugar.
Don't forget butter. You need butter to make a cake.
Oh, yes, thank you. I will add butter to my list.
Can I go with you to the store?
Sure, that would be nice.
Great. I need to buy some things too.
What do you need?
I need to buy milk, bread, and vegetables.
Okay, we can go together. That makes it more fun.
I agree. Shopping with a friend makes it better.
When should we go?
Can we make it at 11 o'clock?
Yes, 11 o'clock is good. That gives us time to get ready.
Perfect. Oh, I also need to make an appointment.
What appointment?
I need to see the dentist. I need to make an appointment this week.
You should call today. Sometimes it's hard to make appointments.
You're right. I will call after breakfast.
Good. It's important. Don't make excuses.
I won't, I promise. I need to make time for my health.
Exactly. Health is very important.
You know, I also need to make dinner tonight.
Really? What will you make?
I will make spaghetti. My friend Sarah is coming over.
That's nice. Sarah will love that.
I hope so. I want to make her happy. She's very stressed from work.
That's very kind of you. Good food makes people feel better.
I agree. What will you do tonight?
After I make the cake, I will take it to my mother's house.
That's sweet. She will be so happy.
I hope so. I want to make her birthday special.
I'm sure you will. You always make people feel loved.
Aw, that makes me happy to hear.
It's true. You're a very good person.
You're very kind too, Chloe. We make good friends.
Yes, we do. Oh, look at the time. We should get ready soon.
You're right. Let me make sure I have my wallet and keys.
Good idea. I always make that mistake. I forget my keys.
That happens to me too sometimes. It makes me so frustrated.
I know. Now I always check before I leave.
That's smart. Small checks save time later.
Exactly. Okay, I will go get ready now.
Me too. I will make the bed and get dressed.
See you in 30 minutes?
Perfect. That makes sense. See you soon.
Wait, one more thing.
What is it?
Don't forget to make that phone call to your mum.
Oh, thank you for reminding me. I will call her now.
Good. Make sure to wish her a happy birthday.
I will. Thanks, Chloe.
No problem. That's what friends are for.
You're the best. Okay, let me call her now.
I'll clean the dishes while you make the call.
Thank you. You don't have to do that.
It's okay. You made breakfast, so I will clean up.
That's very nice. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Now go make that call.
Okay, I'm calling now.
That was a nice call.
Good. Is your mom happy?
Yes, she's very happy. She can't wait for the cake.
I'm sure it will be delicious. You make great cakes.
Thank you. I will do my best.
I know you will. Okay. Are you ready to go to the store?
Almost. Let me make sure I have my shopping list.
Good idea. We don't want to forget anything.
I have my list. What about you?
Yes, I made my list while you were on the phone.
Perfect. You make things easy.
Thank you. Let's go now.
Okay, let's make our way to the store.
This will be fun. I love shopping with you.
Me too. We always make each other laugh.
That's true. You make me smile every day.
Aw, you make me smile too, Chloe.
Okay. Let's go before we get too emotional.
Good idea. Let's go.
Wait, do we have everything?
Let me check. Keys, yes. Wallet, yes. Phone, yes.
Great. I have everything too.
Perfect. Now we're really ready.
Let's make this a quick trip.
Agreed. I want to make the cake soon.
And I need to make dinner later.
We both have things to make today.
Yes, we're very busy.
But that's okay. Being busy makes the day go fast.
That's true. Okay, let's go.
After you.
Thank you. You're such a gentleman.
I try. Come on, let's go.
Okay, everyone, that was our conversation.
Now we will explain everything.
We used the word make many times.
Yes, let's look at how we used it.
First, we said make breakfast and make coffee.
When we prepare food or drinks, we use make.
For example, I make breakfast every day.
Or my mom makes good coffee.
We also said make a phone call.
This means to call someone. I need to make a phone call to my friend.
We said make a cake and make dinner.
Again, when we prepare or cook food, we say make.
Make a mistake is very common.
Yes, when you do something wrong, you make a mistake.
Everyone makes mistakes. It's okay.
We also said make sure. This is very useful.
Make sure means to check something.
Like, make sure you have your keys. It means check that you have them.
We said make a plan and make a change.
These mean to create or decide something new.
Make a habit means to do something regularly.
Like, I make a habit of reading every night.
We also said make my bed.
This means to arrange your bed neatly in the morning.
Make a list means to write things down.
Like, I make a shopping list before I go to the store.
We used make time. This is important.
Make time means to find time for something.
Like, I need to make time to exercise.
We also said things make a difference. This means something changes things or helps.
Eating healthy makes a difference in how you feel.
We said make someone happy and make someone feel better.
When you cause a feeling, you use make.
Good news makes me happy.
We also said make it when talking about time.
Like, let's make it at 11 o'clock. This means let's meet at that time.
Makes sense is another good one.
When something is clear or logical, we say it makes sense.
We said make a team and make friends.
This means to form or create relationships.
We also said things make us feel a certain way.
Like, coffee makes me feel awake.
Or making my bed makes me feel organized.
Important note, don't confuse make with do.
Yes, this is very important.
We make things we create. We do activities.
For example, make dinner but do homework.
Make a cake, but do the dishes.
Make a call but do exercise.
It takes practice, but you will learn.
Listen to English every day. That helps a lot.
And don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Making mistakes helps you learn.
Exactly. So practice, practice, practice.
Great job, everyone! You finished the lesson.
We are so proud of you.
Now you know how to use make in many ways.
Remember, make is a very common word. You will use it every day.
Now it's time to practice.
We want you to try something called shadowing.
Shadowing means you listen to us and speak at the same time.
Go back and play the conversation again.
Listen carefully and try to say the words with us.
This helps you speak more naturally.
Your pronunciation will get better.
Don't worry if it's hard at first. Keep trying.
Practice makes perfect. See? Another make phrase.
Yes, now we have a favor to ask you.
If you liked this video, please click the like button.
It's the thumbs up button below the video.
This helps other people find our videos too.
And please leave a comment.
Tell us one sentence using the word make.
We love reading your comments. We read all of them.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Click the subscribe button. It's free.
When you subscribe, you will see all our new videos.
We make new videos every week.
So subscribe now. Don't miss our next lesson.
And share this video with your friends.
If your friends are learning English, send them this video.
Sharing helps everyone learn together.
Thank you so much for watching today.
We hope you learned a lot.
Remember, learning English takes time. Be patient with yourself.
Make a little progress every day.
Every day, try to learn something new.
You can do it. We believe in you.
Keep practicing. Never give up.
See you in the next video.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye. Have a wonderful day.
Keep learning.
Keep smiling.
Happy learning. See you next time.